Hello, today I am going to show you how to fix Instax Mini 12 blinking light. So let's start the main video. First, replace the batteries. This problem becomes more common as the battery ages. It is common problem. Now insert new batteries. Now you need to power cycle the camera. For that, turn off your camera. Then remove the batteries. Then wait 5 to 10 seconds. After that, reinsert batteries. Then turn on your camera. Now check the lens is fully extended to the on position. Then clean the lens with isopropyl alcohol and lint-free cloth. Now this problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then contact with Fujifilm Help Center. They can provide repair option. The blinking light on an Instax Mini 12 usually signals a simple issue like low batteries, incorrectly loaded film, or the camera not being fully ready. In most cases, replacing the batteries with fresh alkaline ones, reinserting the film correctly, and restarting the camera will quickly solve the problem. If the light continues to blink even after these checks, it may indicate a hardware issue, in which case professional servicing or replacement is the best option. And that's it. Thanks for watching.